drugs I took the night before. Are we deaf? Are we deaf? Run, jump off together, my goddamn mind. Run through the circles in the days it was in the blurry sky. I can know, I can blow my fucking head off, but then you never really know. Let's go. Me, Ricky, hold on like it hard. Then you smack me up and beat my fucking heart. And then you stitch it up, tight and down my eyes out. And rip my soda, there's nothing more to living than fucking and never looking back. Something out, you never know just where to go. Fall on my face, I can't never replace the fickle factors inside. You know I never meant to hide. What if God died, and what if I did it? Would you blame me, or would you blame the drugs I took the night